Hi there, thank you so much and welcome back again. In this video we are gonna continue on how to add the products from AliExpress into Oberlo apps. Then later on we are going to integrate into our store. So this is AliExpress website or platform, and you will see as you see there are different types of the products based of the collections. Toys, they have watches. Let's click women men clothing. Perfect. See here, you will see the details of the each company. If you don't know how the integration is work, it means these are the supplier of goods. They place these items here, and the price based of the, for example, this is very cheap and this cheaper also, and go drag it down. You can sort by lowest price, highest price, order count. Always I advise you to collect base of order count, because the supplier that who is selling more items, more probably they are getting trustful supplier. So let's see here, if these are the shipping, they have different type of shipping, zero or free shipping, but the products will arrive, let's say choose United States. If I want to sell this item into United States, it's free shipping still, but the days are 33 days. And if we pick the DHL within 11 days, we will talk about shipping later. So let's go and add this product and drag it down. I like this also, we can add, and let's add one more. This price is 0.95, 0.01 is very cheap, but how many orders? Yes, let's add it. Then drag it down to this watch is new brand 60. Then let's go back and search for different type of items. Let's go to the men's clothing and accessories. From here we see the men clothings. You have the option to select the how you can search for the products: shirt, stores, tags, sweaters. Click here. Perfect. Then let's search more items. One more. Yes, I can add this, it looks good, but by the time you're adding the products into your store, you have to look for all details, and when you are satisfied how many orders, then you can add. Then let's go down and shirts. Perfect. This is how many orders? 764. Yes, and drag it down. I can add this. You have to select your niche properly, because if you are trying to sell everything, you will end up selling nothing. Order this times 1762 times, order it, and then import it 555. I think that's good, we can add later. And let's go to the women clothing, so we can add some women's items. From here we can add this one, order 3000 something, and drag it down. What else we need to add here? I think so this Perfect. We can look for the leggings. Leggings. Perfect. Blah blah. This one is 26 times ordered, and this one 36 times orders, and drag it down. All types of leggings. I think we can add 9 and 8. This is cheaper than that one. We can add this one, and let's search for the another item. Leggings, they have sleep and slug. Perfect. Then let's go and search for jewelries. Home. Now let's go back to the products for the time being until now. Let's go to the shoes. We have created collection for the shoes. We need to add one or some items for the shoes collection. So order count, best match, lowest price, highest price, order count. Here we can select the country where we gonna sell these products. Then if I think this looks like very good, and the price also very cheaper. And this order 8,000, some over 8,000. Perfect. We added it, and I think this order is over 4,000, almost 5,000 times. These are the trustful and the good supplier. If you check here, you can see the video about the products and the shoes types and size, and buyer is free shipping. They have free shippings over the 1,000 we selected, and you'll see the description about the products. You can contact the supplier also, and this is how they look like. I think that's gonna be enough. That's enough. Thank you so much for watching. In the next video, we are going to customize or and edit the products details, and then integrate into our store. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next